Let's make an open-faced steak sandwich with chimichurri sauce using the Char-Broil electric edge grill. Let's start with the chimichurri sauce. Finely chop some Italian parsley, mince a few cloves of garlic, and combine with some good olive oil, red wine vinegar, freshly squeezed lemon juice, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Give it a stir until evenly combined. Preheat your Char-Broil edge grill and season the steaks with olive oil, salt, and pepper. I use New York strip, but ribeye will work just as well. Cook on the grill for 5 to 7 minutes per side for medium rare to medium. Also get some onion slices grilling until charred and softened. When ready, transfer the steak to a plate and let them rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, grill your bread until golden brown and slightly charred, and then slice the steak. Oh, that's perfect. Now let's assemble the sandwiches on our Char-Broil entertainer cart. Spread some chimichurri over the bread, followed by burrata, arugula, grilled onions, and the sliced steak. Finish with more toppings and a few grinds of pepper. It is so good. I hope you enjoy it.